Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something a little different and of course it's starting the same with a bit of a plan with me here in my June insert. So just taking down some of my plans for today, and of course as you can tell by the title of this video, today I am going to tackle cleaning and organizing my fridge. And this is something that I wanted to do for a while and just have been a little nervous about filming it and sharing it, but today is the day that I'm going to take the plunge and film it. So if this is something that you are interested in, just keep watching. So welcome to my fridge, and so we're just going to take a look inside, and I'm going to give you a before of what the inside of my fridge looks like. And I am currently at the end of my week and will be picking up my groceries later on today. So things are a bit of a hot mess in here. But for me, the first step will be to clear every single item out of my fridge and then see what I have to deal with. And so here we have my fridge all cleaned out of every single item, but it really needs a thorough cleaning. And so I'm going to go ahead and take out all the shelving and the drawers and wipe out the back of it. And my drawers are actually so big I could not fit them in my sink, so I ended up washing them in the tub of all places using my dish detergent Ecomax soap, and just thoroughly cleaned, took everything apart and cleaned it, and then brought it back out here to the fridge. And I'm just going to towel all the extra water off and then get everything back into the fridge. I did move a couple of shelves around as well, just to try out a different layout. It was a great opportunity to think differently than I had before. So here it is, all back together, clean and sparkling, and I just wanted to leave it like that. It looked so great. But here we are looking at all the items that were in my fridge and trying to just give you an overview here of the sheer volume of stuff. And then I'm going to flip over to the other side of my kitchen where there's even more food. It's amazing how much stuff we end up with in our fridges. So what I ended up doing is just trying to then squish everything onto one side of my counter, as you see here, and just started trying to organize it. So what I did is I got a garbage bag, my compost bag, and my recycling bag, and just started going through everything and trying to categorize and see what I had and what I wanted to keep. So honestly, it doesn't look like much has changed. I didn't end up throwing out a lot of stuff. I do go through my fridge weekly, so there wasn't too many things that were out of date or that I wanted to get rid of. So that was kind of good. But now the fun part of getting everything back into the fridge and really organizing things. And I think that's where the difference is in how things ended up. And so here it is, every single item back in, and I am just blown away by how much space there is and how organized everything is. I'm so excited about how this turned out. And yeah, just of course I don't have my groceries yet, so of course my bottom drawers there are a little sparse, but I'm going to update you on that. And I just was really happy with how these little containers from the Dollar Tree helped me to organize my eggs and juice boxes. And I have another one that I'm going to add snacks in for the kids' lunches. And yeah, I am just so happy with how this turned out. And then just a quick update here after I put all my groceries in for my grocery shop. So not much changing here, just had to fix that. And but just adding my milk and some juice there, and then added that third container for the yogurts, and then my sauces and all my deli stuff, and then of course my vegetables and fruits on the bottom. And honestly, you can still see to the back. It's so clean and bright. I'm just absolutely thrilled. If you like what you see here and you want to see more, please like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.